G'day, Adam here from Dom Distribution. Today we're here to do a quick walk around on our maintenance of our K-Tec 1228 machine. And we're also very proud of our low maintenance costs involved with moving this machine forward. Come with me now and we'll head towards the front of the machine and we'll have a quick look at what we have to do. So here we are at the front of our machine. This is a traditional direct mount machine which mounts up to the back of an articulated tractor. We also have the ability to connect to articulated dump trucks. This similar grease system that we're about to talk about here is also on the trucks. The trucks will need to be greased daily, all with an auto grease system that's already a part of the machine. So just looking now at our hitch, we have a pin that connects through to the main hitch on the tractor here. This has to be moving freely. There is some play that we can adjust out of that, but we just need to make sure that's a simple operation. Along with greasing these 2 points here, all of these pieces need to be moving freely on the articulation and the connection to the back of the tractor. Moving along here now, we've also got hoses. The hoses and the connections are very vital for the operation of this machine. We need to make sure that there's no damage on any of these hoses and cracks around this particular point here which connect up to the tractor. Also making sure that these fittings have got no dirt in them, that they're clean and ready to be clicked in properly. So again, we're working back here, no wear points. Anywhere where these hoses can flex, there's the ability to crack. So we need to make sure that those hoses are in good condition. Moving right along now to the ground engaging gear, which is down here on the bottom of our machine. Vitally important component of our K-Tec scrapers is this stinger that's in the middle. You can see it's protruding down from the base of the machine. That there is for efficiency. Basically the time taken to fill this bowl and the fuel required to pull it is all down to the efficiency of this stinger and the position it's in. Edges on the side here also help to fill the machine. All of this stuff is adjustable. These side edges here also show us where the machine can be set to at its maximum cut. These wear down with the weld marks that are on the side here and they tell us when these components are ready to be replaced. Moving right along now to our greaseless bushes. This is the beauty of the K-Tec system. These machines require no grease in this department. So these bushes are good for 1,000 hours, but they still need routine checking. So what we're looking for is a maximum of 1/8 of an inch or 3.2 mils of play within all these bushings along the side of this machine. Moving along now to our roller system, which is on the top here of the 1228s. This is slightly different to some bigger machines which have a slider block assembly that wear in here as well. So the whole idea of this system here is to maintain correct clearance between the ejector wall, which pushes the dirt out, and the floor of the machine. So these here are adjustable to keep that uniform across the bottom of this unit. Okay, moving now to the rear of our machine. We have the hubs down under here which actually are greasable, so very important that we do grease those on a weekly basis or at 50 hours. All 4 hubs on the back here are greasable, accessible in through the side here quite easily with a flexible grease line that we do have these days. Also moving now into the tyre pressures, valves here, making sure that we've actually got equal tyre pressures across the machine. Undue stress, undue wear on these bearings and hub assemblies if those tyres aren't completely even. So as you can see, K-Tec machines are very low maintenance. If indeed you need any wear components or ground engaging gear, we stock it all and can be shipping it at a moment's notice. If you have any more questions about K-Tec maintenance or repairs on these machines, drop in and see us or give us a call at Dom Distribution.